Hi my dear ones, I am Dr. Minu Sara. Hope you are all doing well and fine. Today we are making a natural cough syrup which is good for fever too. We can easily prepare this at our home by using various herbs which can be easily grown in our house. If all the items are not available, we can choose 4 or 5 in this as per our availability. Now let us start our preparation. We are using 9 ingredients including water. So now we will see our ingredients. This is chase tree 5 leaf. It is called Karunachi in Malayalam. Boiling leaves of this plant in water help us to relieve fever. Then we have Malabar nut leaves. It is called Adalodagam in Malayalam. It's a herb taking care of respiratory tract infections. Then holy basil leaves. It's an antioxidant and it is called ancient healer of all diseases. Then you can see pepper, digestive stimulant, also help to relieve chest congestions. Then we have Mexican mint leaves. In South India, people used to tell that you should grow this herb in all houses if you have children. Most common medicine used for treating sick children. It's called Pankurka in Malayalam. Can be easily grown in our house. And then ginger, it's a digestive stimulant. Then licorice root, taking care of sore throat, cough and bronchitis. It has got expectorant properties too. Then we have cumin seeds. You can see this. Cumin seeds, it's a herb taking care of digestive disorders. So these are our ingredients, and then finally water. This is our honey. We can add at last for sweetening. I am taking little bit jeeraga which can be fried. The color is changing and it's almost getting ready. Now we can crush our ingredients. So now I am adding licorice root. Then I am taking cumin seeds. It is little bit fried. Then chase tree leaves. I am taking 1 number. Then Malabar nut leaves. Then I am adding 2 pepper. Yes, you can see 2 pepper. Then 3 basil leaves. Then 2 Mexican mint leaves. Then 1 small piece ginger. Now we can crush. I am pouring 2 glasses of water. Let it boil. Once it is boiled, we can add our ingredients. Now our water is about to boil, so we can add our crushed ingredients. Let it boil until 2 glasses of water becomes 1 glass. We can cover the vessel now. Now it is almost 1 glass. Now we can switch off the flame. We can strain our mixture. Now I am adding little bit drink into this glass. Yes, it is almost 1/4 glass. Then now I am adding honey. We can add 1 or 2 teaspoons. We can just mix it. Now I am going to taste this. It's little bit spicy, but it is tasty. You can try this at your home and let me know. Thank you so much for watching me. If you have any questions, please do DM me. I can answer you. I'll be coming with another video soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care.